Hello and welcome, everyone. My name is Zach, coming to you from Feit Electric. And today, I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating the new Feit Electric LED fairy string lights. Now, the cool thing about these lights is that you not only have the option to choose between copper, silver, or rose gold wire colors, but you also have the option to choose between RGB, cool white, or warm white LED light colors as well. And with varying wire length options of 6 feet with 20 lights, 10 feet with 30 lights, or 30 feet with 100 lights, you can find the perfect length for whatever your decorating needs are. Now, I know you're all excited to see what's inside the box, so without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we have here is the instruction manual. We also have this clear bag of photo clips. You have the battery pack. And lastly, you have the remote. And let's not forget the string lights. Quick side note, the 10-foot and the 30-foot string lights all come with this bag of photo clips, this remote, and they also all come with a USB connection. While in contrast, the 6-foot string lights do not. Now, in addition to the variety of colors that are available in the RGB string light option, overall, this is my favorite feature: the remote. You see, the remote, it controls 8 different light effects that are possible with these string lights. So you have a combo. You also have order. You have chase. You have flash. You have twinkle. You have a glow. And then you have fade and solid. And you could also set a timer on these lights if you really wanted them to stay on or turn off at a certain time interval. Or you could even dim these lights if you really wanted to. Make them not so bright, or go ahead and make them as bright as they possibly can go. Now, another thing that's really cool is this USB plug has a button on it right here. Say the battery in your remote has died, you can still control the 8 different light effect options by simply pressing this button. Now, another thing that I really love about these string lights is the wire that the LEDs are attached to is very sturdy, allowing you to bend it or shape the wire however you need. Now, you could use these fairy string lights in a little Christmas scene, or use the included photo clips to hang your favorite Polaroids from it. Or you could even use them how I did here. You can create many fun DIY projects with these LED fairy string lights to make elegant home decor. And to prove this to you, I'm going to show you a fun and easy DIY that you can do at home. All you need is some vase filler, a clear glass hurricane, and lastly, your LED lights. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put my LED fairy string lights inside of this glass hurricane. Now, once you have put your LED fairy lights into your hurricane, I'm now going to fill the vase filler. And there you go. Really simple. Then all you do is turn on your lights. How would you use these lights? Let us know on Facebook or tag us on Instagram at Feit Electric Lighting. We have more cool products coming, and that means more cool videos to come as well. Thanks for sticking with us. We'll see you next time.